Hello. So today we are at this math museum thing. If you couldn't tell from these math symbols, infinity, pi, and circle. I guess that's for geometry. So I guess let's go inside. Oh, I first have to get. Hello. So we are inside the math museum right now. But I have one question. What does that clock mean?
Pi. Yeah, there's
Block 10,000.
root 4.
To the power pi.
All right.
So let's go inside the first area. Math plus 5.
All right.
By the way, this is the easiest one. There are 3 levels. Easy, hard, and hard. We are back. So how many blocks are gonna come out from this?
I don't know.
Guess.
Maybe 3? 1.
What about here?
Huh. I know the trick now. Maybe 10.
Oh. Here?
100.
Here?
200.
No.
Whoa.
Thousands.
Is it 1,000? Why is it 1,000? It's 100.
How?
How is it 1,000?
It looks like 100 from here, but it's a 3D cube. From here, it looks like 10, not 100.
Okay.
It's 1,000. 10 by 10 by 10.
Okay.
10 by 10 by 10.
I see.
You remember Tricked?
Yep. From the Australia?
Yes.
Hello.
This is basically the same thing.
I see.
Hello.
Hello.
I might look normal, right?
Mm-hmm.
But look at me.
Oh.
Papa, I'm
Very
short.
long.
Look at here. I'm Hello. So I got a time limit for this monstrous disaster. Oh yes.
Okay, it's been in 1 minute. So,
I'm gonna make a bet.
you're gonna fall off. So, this time let's make this bed, okay?
Yes.
Alright, go.
So I'm gonna start with the blue. So we are done with the first part, I guess. So
Yay, Monday! Now you can sleep.
So I am back with these spills. My dad said that this would be hard. He actually challenged me to do it. I'm gonna run and
Oh, nice. You made it.
I'm gonna make this one next.
Okay, that one looks very difficult. All right. It looks pretty nice. Awesome.
I'll go say. I'm good at air.
Yes, one. Okay, we cannot cross the line, okay? Yes.
9-9.
Okay, that's match. I lost. B. Tell me about the prime numbers.
Okay.
Press all the prime numbers from 1 to 100.
I'll try my best. I don't know if I can do it, but I'll try my best. I think 37.
Mm-hmm.
Not 39. 41. 39 is a prime number. I think it's prime.
Okay.
It's not in the 2 times, it's not in the 3 times. It's not in the 4 times table as well. And also in the 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. And 11 times, no, 12 times, no, 13 times, no, 14 times, no, wait.
What about 60s?
I'll take 67.
Because it's 6, 7.
Oh no, that's if you left that in the 20 that's 61, no?
Yeah, I think 61 is prime number.
23, 24. There's one more prime number.
What about... What about 91?
91? No, 91 is not.
It's not?
It's not.
Oh, yeah, it is. Huh?
91 is not a prime number.
Okay. What about... What about 87? Oh, no, 87 is not a prime number. What about... It's getting confusing.
It's getting
What about 73?
73? Yeah, actually 73.
Okay, you got all the prime number.
It might not be all.
Oh, don't do it with your foot, okay? Alright. Shall we go to second floor now?
So it's gonna be pretty hard up there. Not like multiplication, division, and then I mean like high school to high school.
Is it for the high school, the second floor? Alright, let's keep going.
Like physics.
Alright.
This one is gonna be boring, right? Just spinning around, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like this, right?
Yep.
Well, what do you think this one will do?
What is that?
The same thing, but with an extra arm.
Okay.
Do you think so?
I don't know.
Guess.
It will be shaking all over the sky.
Correct?
Oh.
It's literally dancing.
Oh. It's like a robot arm.
Yes. Let's move. It looks the same right now. It kind of looks
It's like a chaos.
Yeah. Do you know why?
Why?
It's tilted 0.0001 degree off. So we are back with this triangle. As you can see, it's a 20-sided shape now, right? And I have a square. What do you think it's gonna turn in when I put it in?
I don't know.
A cube.
How is it cube? Oh, I see. This is how you do it.
By the way, there's another optical illusion in here.
Oh, it's this thing again.
See this arrow?
Mm-hmm.
It will complete a full rotation until here. This arrow will be here after a full rotation. So, let me try say all of the digits I know of pi. 3.1415926535898. Yeah, I lost it.
Good for you.
So look at this. So this is 2 to the power of 6. To the power of 7.
Uh-huh.
A bit longer. To the power of 8. Really long. To the power of 9. To the power of 10.
Oh, I see.
It's like too long, so airplane up. 2 to the power of 19 is 524,000.
Oh.
Yeah. Woohoo! This is pretty fun. But I actually just did a lap. I'm back. I was like rotating this way, right?
How can you explain this in mathematics?
I have no idea. It's high school. How am I supposed to explain? I'm only elementary school.
Okay.
I'm really good at this. I got this.
Nice, lucky. Oh, cleared. Lucky. Last one. Yes, good job. Let's go. Harvey, so where are we going now?
The 3rd floor.
3rd floor. Oh, what's in the 3rd floor?
Movies and art.
Okay, let's keep going.
We have the last piece.
Oh, nice.
It's not complete yet.
Okay, I think we should put the pentagon here.
Hello. So now we're actually in the 3rd floor. That was just a playroom. So
Okay.
here is the optical illusion. It
Oh.
looks like your hands are moving, but it's
Uh-huh.
not, right?
So, what is this? Huh.
Do you remember Albert Einstein? There's Albert Einstein.
Oh. Can you... Oh, there's our Albert Einstein.
So, do you remember the like spinny things in level 2?
Uh-huh. What is this? 오.
So now this is the end of the video. That's the reason why if you were wondering, we are outside now. So we are about to eat some pork cutlet. So bye.
Bye.